Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the interstate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
To me, I share area man. It's here for be also to me. Abasu be also to me. Come on. But me kwe na many me ko Uncle Ben when I am found conversation and find share. I say hello Uncle Ben.
Hello.
Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning. I say.
Yami adum pacha na monsoe.
Adum.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. That was da twampo nyame nso ase say anope wa ma ye nkwa na kwa ho san yetimi asori a ye ne abusuafo e ba bedi nkita ho. I hope some nyina mo ho ye.
Uncle Ben chira po yankopa da oro ma so far as yete nkwa na mo jedi efu san nkwa de na singoto de ye ma de obo nso ogbo wi no na ye de ma no yenso ho ye pa. Ye papa. Yes, Rebecca. But I'm getting for the BWF Solicitors and I treat them and they are pay a banner umbre in some one. I say, one crata, some immigration law. Now, can I say, BBM Koyim far more, not just what to me do any actually a BWF Solicitors and I'm with me a born on a payno, once you wait to me agent on us. And I'm in 10 time now, I'm in for office line of fun to you. Maybe on the pay, we will be our take car more. baby what bus mu besi yes OPD for mu office no man na me floor mu na pay me to me hwe na me no mo twetwe nkoma abusua je office line is here na floor mu ehun hia pa 020 8493 7340 020 8493 7340 na from and pay na book appointment na only omo nhihye enyama to na wonso ntumi hwe na yemboa na won kata sam no engine no mo 7 sisters na bibia so tumi aye kama medi edna na to jegu OPD the second year live for Facebook so na BWF Solicitors website yes to me live for over to me akọ so no akọ medi bi agben ana pay yen hwe na update bi ho mo de man na no pay na say update bi ho aja na wo da so me na yen hwe ne yen sha say mfi so bi so asa niwa na odi yen be topic of the day so adawroma ni na yo de sa mri de road ni ya wo de me je mu de ma
yo OPD say anopay update bebre wo ho. The first thing me pese obi at say home office say no mo kan ya no omo de nhihye eba say ye share afenase no leba ma ye hu say omeye ye nhihye bi eno na bebo ye ho ban efa English ho efa so bi pese otena ha efa students omo eko graduate route no pese omo teso enyaba na 16th on the 14th almost the new immigration rules by a friend House of Commons commands and HC 1333 I know about I started to do one idea fire home the fire home will be English until from the 8th of January, which is the next 2 months now. Not just Obaha as a skilled worker. Obi Obaha as a skilled worker. We are care, we are honey, we are carpenter, we are mason, we are plumber, we are fitter, refrigeration. You increase English language, from B1 and they are called B2. I afraid be a friend of Common European Framework for the reference for languages. A standard requirement. Yeah. But we know are you speaking and listening, and you're reading and writing. And English, a cost rockakra. To person wo ye wo care, person wo ye wo carpenter, mason, and I say wo person wo baha as a skilled worker. Now ha, now you student, now person wo ye skilled worker. Not just say wo say unya B1. So when him say untimi, sorry, unya B2 by the 8th of January. So when him say untimi nye B2 na anye was so many year in term na bibia ako. The next one a graduate route. More university wahano from bachelor's to master's. Yate mo 2 years na ya de mamono from the 1st of January 2027. And tell no de kwan wom kakra. But make us a kwan wom a eno nche say affect you. What it means is that we start university this year. Wunya 2 years, ubenya 18 months. PhD for the omo 3 years, omo the normal form sanka. But the omo sanka no a bachelor's. 2 years so about 18. And I afraid be a friend of a high potential individual, HPI. Now maka wasem da be 6 months ni because say area nkrofo betimi aye omo enko expansion no ma team kakra ba omo de cap abaso aye no omo ye nkrofo only 8,000 and also ya there aba bibi the immigration skills charge I know yes obi won adwuma na ofa no wama share code sorry wama sponsorship COS fee aye no and also omo atum omo atum no the airco and say a tax on businesses nti say obi wo ho na enya de or ye sika bebre no person fawa ya to we mu no e bi e be ha adwene a cost for business nti I de ha adwene crucially when they measure that your video because a bit technical Mubetia for months ni because munhwe ye what the document be called okay assembly you bet me a use be your friend of general grounds for refusal ameka part 9 no meka ho asema and then asesa part 9 no replacing with part suitability all it does is simplify terminology no but the requirements need the same paragraph 39E, and also maka ho asem, and then dealing with exception, no. Move no from paragraph 39 to immigration rules. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, 39E, and from 39 applications overstay. 45 validity. 39E no say omo dey akoka exceptions no omo dey akoka part suitability. Part 9 na general grounds no and I make us say very technical. The other one so almost say a friend of family, private and adult dependent relatives. Since you are friend of common suitability provisions. I know so no add the suitability na koka ho. Be a seasonal workers adjusting a kakra. Maybe a stateless person. I didn't be brain and fire home, but the fire home titru and the makano. The other one, I'm a person be answer Shannon son said. Home Office has started a court documents. More mobile modi ekum a year a buy. Almost started common documents. Into Oba has a kum, Oba has a year. O marriage certificate now or the application. Home Office call back ahwe say papa Mr. Mo wonim say wo di bibi bone na baa a was say we careful wonim say wo ba ha na wo ma obi na your marriage certificate a was say nipa no or trusted person the entia make we no say this week in kwa ye hu nkrofo be 4 omo birth certificate you see fake marriage certificate, you see fake. Now, ka say fake, ka be 3 months ago. No nim so okay, me ba na me de no ba na see fake nti amana mba nti. Ofo say no ano. And na me no kan. Sa nkrofo na mma ana kumu ana yire mo de fake marriage certificate ne birth certificate application. Amu na ye start atwere say because say wabusuani a wo de no ba no, o use fake material. Wo visa no so ye ba betwam enti ya maw 2 weeks say kire ye indie enti a eni si etwa wo visa no a started ba mesha aye hu video ma ye ba akodada a ye dia won mo na em say sometimes na ya so edin kakra wo ka se ma ye nko ho a eho ne ekọ na nse ya say crash be your friend me obi age ne 63,000 nipa ba akọ 63 almost a group of 4. 63,000. Nipa ba ko age. Wakoye fake COS. Ama omo nyina. Na me no ka say. Wa hwe kra na koye police asem. Ade ankrofo bebre nim ne say. Kromo a we use fake anything that you fake bia a criminal offense. So what your immigration application. Say you fake passport. Say you fake birth certificate. Say you fake marriage certificate. Ni nyina a criminal offense because what do you obtain benefit? Anna, edi 1 year, edi 2 years so, edi 3 years so, 4 years so. Me humbia, edi 20 years oma call back ne. Wako serve prison sentence. Ama yaje indefinite leave a free nisem. NTOPD update no, Anna, and nemedi amamo no. Hopefully no, you bet me ebubu ani so be the questions ba ewo ho.
Okay. I think say yeah. Said I me didn't can beginning no me didn't the studio lines and the tour but we update Uncle Ben Eddie man na yeah then so yeah film na Uncle Ben na wo ka marriage certificate no fake no no kwan Ben na nyimpa no ebia say nyimpa person who say ade ne fake in terms of ebia no say call back to register general maybe as a Ghana na we ya na ma kwhwe say one card temo ho ampa ana say one card temo ho kra na metumi akasa still na ya fake ana Again, Susudio, Mudibiches, almost a be and fake whatever.
Intelligence, I want to say Ghana Birth and Death Registry. Omo documents omo issue ni nyina. Omo the samples akoma British High Commission. Banks wo Ghana nyina. Omo bank statements sana format nete. Account number sana start ebia 30 30 40 41 42. Omo the nyina ma British High Commission. Anna omo direct contact by email and telephone. Enti se ne uko issue registrar's marriage certificate every Accra. Now the ba na home office for ebia omo pentim ti omo anhwe. Na 2 years down the line now of a marriage certificate now they compare the omo wana ohun se bibi and to year of francophone. Omo specimen signatures of all the registrars. Enti anaglavo Johnny Ahia Tonyo Kofi Antobam Mercy Amanfo omo nyina omo ye adwuma wo ho Minister of Foreign Affairs impenifo esen sign documents no omo nyina specimen signature ego British High Commission. Enti those days no ope fake name a okọ tipto e wo circle na omo ye biama se wo ye obi a wo de bibia wo se o se ne ntina mbehu magya ma wo wa ye de wo pe a obeye de ope na wa buru agum ope bibia
wa waka say de obe de bibia ope bia ma nta ono so be de ope bia ya
OPD clients ba wani na o kasa okay koye we ba say o lawyer se ne ntina me ba wani nti mpacho sa wa betimi a wa ye ma me aya me mafa opportunity me tu omofo so hene o yesa obi abehu se one why desperate. Two, beshia obi oye kohwini. Common de no. Friday ba. Opese o man yire chop money. Opese o man girlfriend chop money. When who say why you desperate? But the betwa no age because sabi onye lawyer. Enti who report to no, one report to no onye lawyer. Name wo repercussions no. I have me affected for 10 years. You bet me twa visa. The problem is say yete ha no ye kuniema bebre anya ni nyina na ya deba because sometimes no dey be good public say ya e money pa na opese obu nkrofo no nya intelligence
nya more
nti niema ni bi o ayem famba but ye nim what is going on ade a ehia ne say why ready say obey birth certificate ama oba ana say obey passport ana obey marriage certificate. First of all, nipa na oye no ye sure say oyobi a oye no krafo. Two, baby okoye wo no e wo say wo hu baby okoye wo. Three, e wo so bro official receipt. Ghana document bi e de be ma obi a no. Omo the receipt no e de tare o document no. Na waye. Na wo de call foreign affairs so wo nye sure na omo abo omo letter na to so. Na che say wonim say bi a wo use bi a no. Aban nsa e hye ase. Enti we ana medibeja.
Okay. We na yedi ebeja na obi question be was sending me wo or they are sending me personal WhatsApp no obi service also OPD obi to me ebisa nkben amame also OPD me problem ni ye me call register me for instance birth certificate no edunya ananka I was say enye me papa din no best certificate for no say edin me ntumi fan so na ni nyina akoye asa ni nyina akoye local dodo ntumi amfan so but wo come marriage certificate no mu dia edin edam papa so no difference wo mu ho eno no ebetumi affect say me document no fake ana wadawroma angben o say mami mbo ne din
okay me be crash be frame o frame no asema obisa o ka kire me ne say ne yire ekofa omoba birth certificate oye ba ko ye pink ba ko ye digital omo frame obi wo hospital ho no ye pink ma ana digital no so mo ye wo registry The second issue, you say, yeah, no the two in our call. And as an American, British High Commission, your Home Office, was specimen signature. To where no say no, sequence na your serial number no, wrong. Because an American, renew, almost the serial numbers now, update you. Enti na was na J proof. At the basa no issue. Lawyer no. One proof no. Ano man no DNA, which is good. But issue no yes akola na nya oba. Issue ni say certificate na wo de aba no you fake. Enti o de call no mo say refusal akola no. Ana ye ka say akola na ban no for 10 years. Anopeya o say na yira friend say wanya email. Say akola na oye application man no use fake births and no visa no. Ya man of 10 working days, 2 weeks. So on for reason run the into no visa my income. OPD serial number. Now problems are the first thing I was a lawyer na say. Lawyer no throw letter. Tin yensen ke office wa kra. Ya besoma ya driver no call birth and death registry. No the akohwehwe penny owo no. Now the letter number. In the normal circumstances, obeframe na me ne penny na kasa. Penny problem are you winning. Adiwe, ye who some one issue. Pacho obetimi a letter to so. Someone mu issue na emmom error ewa de no. Obe ne niema na wasa no kasa kakra. Na oma issue call sapo. Na chese wetimi atena se. Na wa letter no wo headed paper. E de ne number ahyeso. Enti when you are no, we bet me a challenge home office for. Said the Amoka say you fake and you fake. Konipa no issue I don't know. What your letter say there be a error, but you fake. But me example. Bank give you Ghana, your friend GT Bank.
GT Bank, yeah.
Almost the accounts number. The entire minim they also almost account number say, yeah, firm no Ghana, I want you save. Cratch be okoye application so about on a visit, genuine visit.
Okay.
I'm printing a bank account, GT Bank, a free internet and so. And I'll de call. And microphone car so there, you won't pay internet there, no, pay hard one into call banking or call bank or call G, because date of printing, any date or call G, I hear 2 different dates, almost some bank account serial, almost the same. Come here, much wrong. Say next month, the best account to account number near 1 2 3 4. So she obey 2298. 80 million. Or your application almost say a year then account back. A year 2 different account numbers. It's a fake. Yes, you who said a fake because account now printed by serial number is almost and yes, I net here. One more problem no. And so any fake, genuine, just say bank and us. And to the solution is in bank and a letter. Say, where a genuine, where see a genuine. Then between this date and this date, yes, your systems until you generating new bank account. No solve a problem. Also, your application be on say for 10 years. And to OPD, never be a bit of explanation. Sometimes, I have clients in the where Obi wa no pushy, no or yen and yaman tem because of a visa. Visa de unya visa a kama. You nimu those days are you swano. So Obi fee if you know about abrochra. Brass band ebe dinner chiwo airport. Those days are near Jina Kotoka International Airport. Na Kotoka is in to say football park. Now I for Srawak now. Now brass band are back because abrochra a year. Even now, cry unya visa the bar which are a year, and it's still your work connection man. But when my nya botreni yen him, document I deco, yen bank statement. Would him say scale account to me 40 cedis, and so I call you 4 million bank account. Would him say, bet you? No, how much you now? How much you watch now? How much you watch now? How much you next year? How much you next year? How much you next 4 years? What be your British passport near a troll near Ginny in a fruit? And to me, the DBA can say, Upese utu kwaya. And that topic I bet you with visitors visa. You bet cover some topics. 1, prepare 7% bitu kwaya. 2, unim say document we na mehia A B C D start peguho. Unim say ye behia marriage certificate. Mame mfre registry no munye mame. Unim say what the marriage certificate no ba e was say buying bullet to so. E was say registry no so bullet to so. Mesramo. Mama nkoye o say ni ntina me ba ha no imija bibia ma o because enyo bia no di ne ho ni. Obi wo ho a na weekend ibe de bia meka opechop money. Obi pe ska ade afa time nti wo no a waye obi a waye desperate no. Obi twa wa 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. O friend a unhu ni biom because onye lawyer. Obi a o share o McDonald's ne restaurant bia se fa o passport bra no nya application ma wo. Misraw. Uni office. Obi nso a uni office de sebe. Obetimi aye obukata.
Okay.
Why not careful? Now I call you email, Yahoo email, ana Gmail. Ka lawyer de ka wa wo email ebia @bwfsolicitors.com. Equiatwa @bwfsolicitors. Na obi wo use yahoo.com, yahoo.co.uk. Ni nyina no ye sign say nipa we o chop money na or GA free wo.
Okay, or badge. Okay, so we are still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM. Common idea, said here, can I say, I dare say, I grow here then. Now, I dare say, I come to for PWF Solicitors in any position, Ben, and I will be being a such. We put a update to update in the crowd, and moon some then. And Ben, I'm a Macaya, some Sisiana, Madame for no send mammy, your friend Edo Policy or no see or Quabluchin. Obano, then the Chrome Hinu or two say the Chrome Hinu she sites every share no airport. And the Uncle Ben can the crap. That time, they hear with a bridge about Dunyami. I want to move for you be share airport to an Inaka and okay, Uncle Ben Yankee and the topic in the fan to us. Acquire more day, Yanfa topic in topic of the day into us. Now, and so now, Mamma Kate for say. Updating on so ebi a wo bibi pese obi sa ho an so no yense okwan betumi afre na wa bam no wa bisa question afa ho na no so ye de no so aso so 02082260484 02082260484 and our WhatsApp line 077719509890 077719509889 and your WhatsApp line to flower free between afane no aso atwetwem commodity assets me kama and ben yemfa topic of the day into us na bibia so ntimi nya kama
your OPD topic visit visa, how to avoid refusal for lack of genuine intention to visit. Brofo the air can say yawaha yawo adofo bebree enuanom anamfo person besrai na dodo na omoya application no yemfa ma omo America say last year nkrofo 61,000 and they apply for visa some of America 25,000 pen on ma into your percentage na about 30-something%. Similar to UK. And visitors visa idea obi wo ho a ono no mpehat na or one business kakra. But come as obetimi aka say ono nso aba London da. Enti your perform. Enti then ebema no etimi aba na wo so okoje visa. Dodo na amode kono. Niema yedi refuse omo niema avoidable mistakes. Enti sa avoidable mistakes no. I was say we are sure say what they will visa ekotuma. First of all, no, preparation number 1. Ati say bibia we asemo ha. Wontimi nye bibi wa bra won prepare. Ati say wo ye adwuma ana awama obi task ana awama na adwuma. Trimopo a isi na nisu no mission ana objective ana object. Sa o object no and our objective and our mission they say we be visitors visa. But what me nya sa de no wabra won prepare. We are athlete, who go to America, we are training. We are footballer, we are training. Who go school now person pass exams, who see adie. Sa so na wo koje or visitors visa, I was say who see adie na wo prepare. The first thing I was say who say first of all, omo hwem esem omo sonim eye sure say mo a mo ba no wo ye nipa bi a wo ba wo besan akọ. Wo besan akọ no ayo no na dwen no di susu. Obeden no di ehu say we are genuine and now we are credible. The first thing a person ohwe say one, wo mu no watu kwan da. Watu kwan no wo kodi how many days and how months or what abuse 𝗃𝗶𝗹𝘆 and to be say omo law no omo free bibi omo say previous immigration history. Enti ebia sa previous immigration history no na for UK and for crew for so. Nipa na bahada oba obedi how many days ewa. So on my hada or will be a friend of financial background and answer financial circumstances. Or busia or social and economic ties. Maybe explaining in our mom. Na sitting them to say, why we are tasso, anoya wagadre, or you'll be a sabe or when BBD, and now you'll be on women who no one or struggle. A juma ben or ye, or yere, or ba, or near no, or nam for, koyakasi social ties, family ties, economic ties. Ningina idea a church any pay. Said no tie not to the country near stronger. Oba obesanage. The free be a friend of personal circumstances. It will be a visa application, worry, but the story no on funny family no can. What worry? The bena worry. We hear a juma ben or ye, and no ye juma. When we juma ben or ye, wow yet to be di. We a tabletop shop and our store or bank account. So we had an window seeker. We had the money to our car. Who sorry? We are sorry, Penny. Who call school? The bena baby. A Juma supervisor. Why a Juma for how long? Yama holiday. Holiday the bena started. The bena be ended. After so, ye should be a friend of balance of probability. So balance of probability no. Wono adia wo ba be no. On the balance of probability. Because the balance of probability, it is auto dice. It is a lotto, I a chacha. Because on no, the audio good and no share. On the balance of probability, no, over UK, over on the balance of probability. Then it says over UK, over
yeah.
Abobo biso. Mr. Mo, adia yen huni se obi wa okoye visitors visa. No afa ne car paper. No afa na sasi paper. No afa ne full paper. No afa bank statement. Bank statement no. Ebi wa ne business. Any ono any sika ni nyina bom waya. There's no business account. There's no private account. Mr. So who person wo ye visitors visa ma wo ho time. One. Obi a wo ye adwuma bia e wo se wutua wo ho ka. Menka se ye pay slip be wo se wutua wo ho ka. Enti o bank account e wo GT Bank ana GCB ana Eco Bank ana any of the banks o bank account no o two. Baako e pure business e bi adwuma ni din da so de udin 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗆𝘆 ana eda so but two no 𝗃𝗶𝗆𝗆 no baako ye purely for business ana baako ye personal bank account. Enti scan about business ni mu yibi tua wo. Say even 1,000 cedis a month kra transfer about account. So who bet the business in this bia? It's okay, there's nothing wrong with it. But tua wo ka, that is one. Two, so wo yere ana wo mpana ana wo ba. Be mindful, say was a would proof actually. Oh, yere ana eku a easy with the marriage certificate. Na moment you be a worry and a marriage certificate. Enti, so what worry fear warrior, we have marriage certificate if we assembly ubit media account. So what ba what in the birth certificate? Maybe your school, what your letter? What my school natural or letter necessary? One out in the best school. Now, idea we and say who prove what personal circumstances, family ties to Ghana. Nyamia ya wadom, o asase, but won't mean see die. Mesrel, enye indenture an America, land registry certificate, and a land title certificate. Efi abaimo, fakam. But crucially, then a war barbe. We are the uncle fairly pa. Titano, time go school no. See a holiday or ha. A dear ye barbe no. Ye tro. Ye see a beco Piccadilly Circus. Ye beco Oxford Circus. Ye beco Abia London Eye. Those days not London Eye. To the blend we see London Eye. But oh ba. Maybe I will call Madame Tussauds or then I yell Madame Tussauds. You will waxwork and our statues be or I have for prominent people, stars in Nema. Maybe I will call London Museum, Ghana for Yempe Museum. Museum then I will call you.
𝗃𝗶𝘀𝗶𝗃𝗀 Ghana for Yempe Museum.
Maybe a football match be or Pesa Obehe. Here I will call her. Match they are here. Most often than not, a family visit. Oba equia ata awo foforo oba beto ne bedin data oba beto ne bedin no eyefie edin to nti onye card na niema but equia ata awo enti ne birth certificate equia ata oye odan oye wunua oye wo cousin wo betimi approve with birth certificate wontimi improve a equia ata mudi nkomo no mudi wo WhatsApp so print it se mudi nkomo. When you create old photo, black and white photo, titino, I just say create or a close person, wouldn't know photo bebre. And I say be cry, wouldn't any photo, no mum of manusika. Says kind of money on share commitment on no walk at the mouth. Woman meba, abrewa, akokra, sebe, or nyeduma. Because Ghana no 70% of population are more informal economy, and I say it's even more. Because you're a farmer, or ton blade, or ice water, or ton chali water, will be a kiosk, will be a store, or a shop, or wire a pampem store, or the chinya, only pay slip. Very unlikely so bank statement. And today I had a bank statement, a Momo statement. You know, yes, and this car, yes, and you could go Momo so. Into your wallet, sky bemunina. But a day also, yeah, finally, no, or trip pen, any paper. So, or computer and so on. No, I can keyboard. Now I bought letter. So, wouldn't mean throw letter now. Ma was sorry paying more. So, who Pentecostal, elders no ya dear, bro no ya come up. One Pentecostal, what they call post office, and Crawford to tenure from stenographers, CCI from commissioners of oath. Bro for the more ducacra, into a catch and some rebel for Nasicacra. Not sure no idea of a sort. What's it me a createnewa? Me ba ewa bruchly. Me ba wa bruchly, your friend OPD. OPD, or Edmond Rainbow Radio. Pay or Ginny. OPD in a year hour. Betu din na OPD no ye me babakan me first na nani OPD ne na yire wo dane ntino me ye maame no me kwa akoboa mo yen ye culture no sakola oba wo for the first 2 months na bi onye adwuma onye hwe so ya order na me kodware akora no me hwe no me yesi na mmom asori OPD na asori nso ye harvest okọ Pentecost me se Ghana me ye Pentecost for Manko penny. Nti me kwa sa harvest no besa akobi. OPD. Why you nyina OPD ne bank statements account. OPD se wo sika no de bia wo minus kan hu se wuntimi ma wo ma member because ma me na wo ma na ba na de bia wo sika ye minus na mmom wakɔbɔ bosia de akɔtuma kyerɛ ba bia wakɔbɔ bosia no
Okɔbɔ yeah.
Sika kɛseɛ bia wo de aba dodo na ya mo mane sika no de kɔ Ghana sɛ wo fa to account mu na run your account no na fabra ade a ɔmo nyɛ ne sɛ ɔmbe explain your account no your friend annotation ana annotated bank statement sika bia aba account no ma yɛ kɛseɛ bia explain it what save watimi anya be 50,000 Ghana 20,000 maybe I will take it if I say be $1,000 which is now maybe about 12,000 Ghana cedis 13,000 14,000 Ghana cedis what count is them 50,000 it will be to me a ticket but we pay 1,500 a month and then I will save 50,000 and was so call back na sɛ na yɛ wo save ye bia all 5 years na save mesrɛw so 5 years bank statement ni nyinaa faka na twerɛ letter na fa explain sɛ OPD nso no this cabra or sɛ fa to account na fa kyerɛ a ɛyɛ gift enti gift deed IOPD of number 123 OPD Street do hereby give a gift of £1,000 to my brother 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗆𝘆 Samo. Simple. A gift. So won't mean draw gift deed ko online. Naka say UK gift deed. Mr. Roman ko American gift deed because there is difference. Na print it. Na man a gift no because we bet me am a gift. Na we a man no. I gift no. Or the account is savings account. Na nyame ya adom na the tuma watro letter and they explain say a gift or the gift date in so account ebi o car me ka se car ho hia almost aka se car ho hia but o car na che say we spending more enti ni nyina na we say we explain it wo yire eton niema wo shop a month no onya 3,000 cedis eye income emamo enti on fa the bank statement enka wo de ho na fa ni about tofa why say we no ade a mepɛ wo yɛ no sɛ wodi saa nneɛma we nyinaa ka ho no ade a ɛwɔ sɛ wo yɛ ka ho no sɛ obi bia wo yɛ bia your list of documents because say na ɔmaka sɛ deɛ ɛma ɔmo ngye yɛn endi nini ɔsɛ one nipa na ɔyɛ application no oni abusua ana economic ties ɛwɔ Ghana na busuafo nyinaa egu UK. 2. Nipa na ɔse ɔba abɛsra no no amu daakye bi atwa mu no no ɔyɛ illegal migrant. Yes, yama no 2.5 years and but ɔno nso no ɔyɛ illegal migrant. Ɔno wɔde civil home office da enti wɔyɛ file so. Nsɛm a ɔka no ɛne nipa na ɔbɛsra no ɔmo nsɛm a ɔmo atwerɛtwerɛ no difference bebree wɔ mu. Ɛmmɔbra. Information ɔde aba no matry sɛ mɛhwɛ sɛ yɛ genuine mintimi enrich nipa na ɛwɔ sɛ merich no enti wo de adwuma mu letter aka ho a yɛ sure sɛ adwuma wura no ɔmfa ne mobile phone nka ho ɔno no obetimi arich no ade a ɔka no ɛntɔ asumu wo sika nyinaa month wo 1,000 wo savings 50,000 ɛntɔ asumu ɛyɛ dɛ na wonya 50 wabra 1,000 cedis no a month no kra na nso onim sɛ wo yere a no nso onya 3,000 cedis etifa wo yere ne amaka ho mesremo ye frɛ no credibility almost say the ebema omo bo ato omo yam a ombegya wo sɛ bra no ɛne sɛ bibia wo ka bia no ato aso finally wo baabi a wo ba obeda sika oba ubedi nyiska odi ato ticket ko baabi a oba obeda no dodo na ba omunuanom ho ana omunamfo etu be hia tenancy agreement ube hia nipa no so be ma letter nipa na wo kɔ no ho no so ode ne bank statement beka se nipa na wo kɔ no ho no oni bank account ade no oni bank account se ode ne tenancy agreement amount na ne din ni so ade na ne din ni so nkrofo bebree titi nkrofo fi a omuni tenancy agreement enti no nso timi create problem why we nyina awie no the aka ne say obe present your application we for us no yehu say almost 90% of applications are we ye o prepare what the genuine document we explain what the cover letter can no and you're successful a bit me amawaba as a visitor Mr. What the share form necessary about be 4 weeks Ghana for the door now mobile so maybe 1 week 2 weeks so wouldn't do 1 week and not 2 weeks amen kasa because o share omo law now almost a sasumesi we dachi bi a yama no ba no ka so obedi busome na mo di busome miensa enti wo no wonya no krafo ti wo sa ba biom se yama wo visa yamfa ma wo ye de maw na wo bedu ha na omuhu a omagye afrum se OPD we ana enne me person de
Lo, in fact, Matthew Dean, I mean, until we be someone say, we invite you be about a crew more, and yet that is sir. And to you, no, Ebia, who say, oh, pass it through, and I say, who provide good evidence here, easy, sir. Because the okay king in a Adebako crime mix here, I just said, the way in a bugoso, and our Davrama.
Okay, enti OPD the yehuni. Now, nkrofo bebree omom prepare. Bebree, I'll say about 90% of omo visa application omom prepare. Or the core connection man. Connection man, the name connection man, and our agent. And there, the first concern is Sika.
Sika, yeah, of course, yeah.
Or GFU himself. Don't worry, remember bank statement. Obwa, okoye fake one at Swama. Don't worry, remember our Jumam letter. Obwa, case be a wire, the cocoa to cry. Cratching or your Juman Casa. Or the vis, I didn't come out with someone. Or no Juma or yeno, na papa na kofa Juma for letter. Almost friend, you almost so many mono.
Oh.
Make ya the cocoa. Ain't for yeno, easy. Because Adana, say me invite me mammy, me papa, me nuya, madam fo, yadi maumo. Na then na woman hoa, I was on yadi maumo. The difference is say, one, me aware, two, me prepare. Because me ma obi invitation my refusal that. 50 time me ba. Me nuya bia me pesa oba me mama, me papa, madam fo, even ene madam fo emma. So mo oba me ma mo invitation. Me fa bank statement ponka. Yade ma o. Letter keka matchro no. Yade ma o. Adentia because minim di omo hwehwe enti me de ma o. Ana ono nso no bia waba hada ana o ma hada. Ana ya prepare no. Say okay, inshira pesa oba. Inshira wo school or Canada. Pesa oba holiday. Oba obedi 1 month. Oba odem betina. Inshira ya hwania. Inshira doctor biba. Doctor maybe or retirement. But ono when sika wodi. See. Na wabono kama. Ni a man of 5-year multiple visa, 10-year multiple visa. Ada na me ya eye adwuma na wo ya anya adwuma. Difference bi any. We be for the same situation. Obi ne papa wo sika, ono nso wo university e wo Ghana, enso oba ko apply na refuse no. Eye preparation. Ana ye pe yama medodo, ye pe connection. Ukọ yama me a lawyer. Ko lawyer no nyama. But ukọ connection man. Ono no wa wi ataso na America no. Ghana se see I do Friday bi o yie bi e ko wo so menya. Opese ko high 4x4. 4x4 5,000 Ghana cedis. So do ho abewo or the bejo 20,000 Ghana cedis here. The way actually no, he doesn't care. The OPD are very easy, but it needs a lot of preparation. Na mumu kind of cray. And you'll be no betting your baha. Sabe, oh no, washi we were Ghana, unya jume bia, uni busuya bia, uni ba, uni yiri, uni kun, uni re. Sabe. watare show kra nya homka wose me pese me ko UK ukọ social media nkrofo bebre lawyer I want to come to UK how can you help me now we obi a we say connection man beju sika di me say nya de abeka
yeah because they
because
want to watch us one way
you want to come to UK obey den I don't need the nkrofo channel so you must have a reason to come what mean guys me pese me ko UK who call holiday yes you call holiday in other places are you okay say why you adwuma obi wo wa no your hairdresser or boy adwuma year why you profit e dey fan say 60,000 Ghana opese ono so be fa obe chele e bi obe hwem bags yi ne niema ma to weeks ni niema opese ono so to bi diko but at least no e won a passport mu say wakọ abuchire da opese wo yes prepare men sorry preko say na me kọ abuchire o bank statement hwi nim o say me kọ o adwuma a wo ye payslip kra anya hwe wa wo ye wadwuma enso wuntua wo hoka how say wo be kire say o income eno ana ye ka say wo prepare yie na wo gather wo documents ni yie na wo wo wadwuma wo tua wo ho tua wo ho ye wo ye adwuma ye tua ye ho enti baby a wo sika good for business no anya ho na wudi wo pay nti wo tua wo ho so wo di pay slips cry I was still wo tua wo ho ti o pd wait a minute there's a question be wo ha the be answer
fantastic. Not just say, asma Uncle Ben can just say the keyword in your prepared, and on the keyword the year can no over to me. I cause one to me, and two and mobile I won't prepared. Now, I don't know what don't hook to us anymore. And see the keyword in the year prepared answer with two and a more a be out from. We some to me about question what if you BBI basa or dream like what must we say we them in tears. Mr. Studio line is here. Wait me after now. I had what to so now so to me actually what doing 020 822 60 484 020 822 60 484. Now also what they were doing chira area about the pay my main kwa so now I'm in fact my first caller now you know yamfa and come at you emfa and say hello good morning.
Hello good morning.
Our power what to say
fine, madam.
Nyame adom nchia na nje so ne ya mede nyankopan ya madom Uncle Ben ewa man so ay krado pacho me yintie we wada we ma
Uncle Ben pacho good morning.
Good morning.
Francisca no orika say but them be out there me kunu Ghana but my question for who Uncle Ben there okoko apply for say 𝗏𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗶 abɛhwɛ ne mba ɛna ɔmo refusal no na ɔno akata so na me no na wɔ ha ɛna ɔkɔɛ because ne nkata asɛm no ɛyɛ basa but wankɔ at the time a home office focus ɔnkɔ nti ɔbɛyɛ overstay nti me question ne there is it because he overstayed and nti na omu fitting the pedo bahana na sekita so opeso baha what must he do that's
opera obansra another opera obetnade
the obansra ke say what ya no deputy minister for Jurash
okay obi a wa baha one court da odo kon wa overstaying today my mekan eya ọkyerẹ dẹ woman na obebioma onko na emum ọwọ mma wọ ha wọ human rights enti obetum use human rights no explain ma ọba ya nti no da pembi a ọba ya wankọ or explain it nnenso nyame adom wa ama ne dwuma kese a ọyẹ na kyerẹ ọba ọwọ dọ ọkọ to ono order explain no throw letter no what the ejuma letter nso ka ho na ne man a wa ha no nso what throw letter na won fa ni nyina nka ho na onye sure there or a very strong letter
okay I think so I drop it oh okay I think say obetie yeah obetie na Also with me with me the question and also with me our first studio line no na also the aba 020-822-60 484 020-822-60 WhatsApp line 0777-1950-989 and also with me at the ODA aba and pay any BWF solicitors nkebe na yɛne nhwehwɛ nkɔmmɔ na webibi nsɛm so ɛde akyerɛ na bibi aso etumi akama wobɛtumi so do message ɛde aba na yɛakenkan ɛno nso ɛde ama ona obi de message bi aba wɔ WhatsApp hɔ na ma menhwɛ ɛma no yo okay no me huni wan fa ne din so amba okay, so still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM. Yeah, Memfa caller we na fe no. Yan so me ba na be read message me e amo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, OPD.
Nyame adu na ho so e.
Nyame adu mo mo mpa bo.
Yeah, fantastic. Wa dawro ma me ntie we.
Uncle Ben, Pacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, you did say ho ye pa, uncle.
Adumo.
The dog there. Uncle Pacho, me yire you ni na me pre settlement ni bi. Na me ma ewo Ghana ba ko 20, ba ko 17. Me pese omo ebetena krom ha. Me pese omo eba besra me. Na omo sa ko back. Na me ye basic this na ma omo a. E wo se me de me yire no ebi eto so ana for that.
Well, I was explaining our circumstance, and almost I was explaining our circumstance. Our circumstance includes both social and family. And yes, I was your details. Why?
If I show you for that.
Okay, fantastic. We're trying to short. We're trying to. Okay, I'll say good morning. Good morning, OPD and Uncle Ben. I'll say my children was 11 years before I got my ILR. Can I apply for British passport for him without register? Thank you. Uncle Ben, mpacho no message ni wadawruma sawoti asia na okay. I say good morning OPD and Uncle Ben. I say my children was 11 years before I got my ILR. Can I apply for British passport for him without registration? Yeah. Registration him at or can I don't know. So what's your CSI mama?
Time I won't call not only indefinite. In Colano, you're British. To a person who British, I was register or fill a form. It has over fill a form T and over fill a form MN1. Now they are registered. Yeah.
Okay. Now, me back my main fakoro yam akọ next message so see OPD my send a message last week one can the one can eduabo to so yeah good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me sure so with the mom dia. But me see my reading message or mom dia. Mpacha whatever my what to say?
Good morning. Good morning, Penny for me 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗆.
Yeah, Joe so bla pe na also.
Uncle Padmo.
Whatever my me yinti we.
Good morning, Uncle Ben. I'm joining the program in Tamadi, but me is an Uncle Ben about marriage certificate. Obi marriage certificate from Ghana about 2004. But let me be say me then bit me cross check to say information here okay and that's correct.
Well, the first thing is for marriage certificate echo Ghana. Na enko baby omo issue on a normal bulletin to so. 2. If you are enko court on me bulletin to so. If you are ebeko Minister of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration. So ankrofo we nyina abo a eba ha o de beko Ghana Commission no mabo. Ti so bia so saa de ni mu no wanka say fake. O awo ya ma o de wo be de hu say fake. Enti na at least you are authenticating by court, by registry, by foreign affairs, and also by Ghana High Commission. Why?
And it's a traditional marriage and so near me any traditional marriage, you know.
Official document, yes. And no crown so the and no the omota pa and Timanenko. Why?
Okay, let's see.
Okay. Thank you. And also, no. Yeah, Nyamisho, we're trying to short. We're trying to. Okay, my main message. I'll say, OPD last week he didn't read my message, and okay, so my main farmer, I'll say, good morning, Uncle Ben and OPD. I'll say this is my question. I have indefinite leave to remain, and I'm now full-time student at university. So what? I'll say so I'm not able to work. Can I bring my wife? If yes, what will be the requirement, please? Uncle Ben, Wadaworma.
OPD under Appendix FM, no, Opesa what the Ukuana or Yereba, I will say meet maintenance requirement. I 29,000. Into when meet here, now we need exemption, this would be a unfortunately.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Wadaworma, what me had done on Mukitibula and the break, Wadaworma.
I don't think
I have more Unyamiadu and we ask and
if I told me show.
Did you so?
You may patrol me a quick one now. Now, me or indefinite leave, as you say, no, my British passport. Now, patrol say, me Ghana. It's straightforward to meet me issue Ghanaian passport now, be any more straight. Now, me bounce on the British passport no swaba.
Yeah, patrol, yes. At the Sasana, all by UK, I would passport by him. Sana, all Ghana, I'll bet me do Ghana passport. I call him. Why?
Nam about a British penal, so not there, no, says me back.
All by all the two in a bachelor.
Nimi no.
So all by backup. Call the Ghana chair, him for UK. Enti, or major British, the account. Airline, no dear, or major British, they are no mascan. Who could do immigration, or major Ghana, because all the British no quite more visit him. And I would Ghana the announce more. BB any more chance a more crime or I would by UK. And 22 no mama.
Okay.
No, I saw what are two issues.
Okay.
Yeah. In answer.
Okay. Yes, yeah, that's a partner. Wadaworma. Yeah, for message we so from. Okay. Also, good morning, OPD. Please, this is my question. Please, I'll say I am on skill work. I'll say I'm skill worker visa, and my dependent just informed me that she want to go to Ghana and get married. She want us to get with a divorce in Ghana, but in the book of Home Office, she will still remain my dependent. I want Uncle Ben to advise me. They're talking. The trust me share and tears so bet me baby ma Uncle Ben the okay but what's your say and I mean sense to be ma
on be divorce for Ghana but on can Home Office na che say o ma to a o ma ware na so sa I'm say sa no and this are their on some review near obi so be said that's authentication of the marriage certificate does attested marriage and divorce certificate at the Ghana High Commission prove authenticity? Yes, it does. Because Ghana High Commission, almost attested to be beer without so much check or Accra. They always do. Almost line on the check. To the BB come almost check with the Nipano issue, you know. And then they also confirm say genuine. Why? And yes.
Okay. Until I know na Uncle Ben dear man no. What I move to me answer after 020 822 60484 020 822 60484 WhatsApp line 0777 1950 989 and so odi and also area ba and then my family space number many me no. Yeah. Okay. Uncle Ben said message you be so about how na wa hwa me na
I'll say I am on a skilled worker visa, which my company has been revoked, but my right to stay is still intact, which will end in June 2027. Can I give invitation to someone to visit UK? Or hene, so when him say ye twa or company no visa more to so na pe bibi ye. O asetena obetimi invite you bia amanaba. Once I work valid visa no, obi a person visit you bia betimi aba. But my advice is say men tena on kase ebi 2027 ti wonya hwe to so na pe bibi ye. Why? But I say, OPD, my name is 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗆. I have indefinite stay to remain. I have a daughter, 1.5 years. Can I do British passport for her? So we want to know indefinite. Yes, we me. No, we need indefinite. I was our register Akolana as a British citizen. Daniel Opon, hi uncle. Good morning, sir. Is there any update with new date of English requirement for indefinite leave to remain? No, not indefinite, but for skilled workers. And also, is it possible for you to submit your application early means 2 months before your expired date and under parent? Yes. Submit your applications in early. Because sometimes there system error into your share code. So application or submitting late na and yes, 2 months you can, yes. There's nothing lobby any was a win to me. Why? Okay.
Na the mean so me wa hano yeah, and there be you many. I say hi, good morning, OPD and Uncle Ben. My mom has recently married an EU citizen. I am 27 years. I want to apply for family visa with my stepdad, who is from Belgium. Okay. Who is from Belgium? Can I use my family visa with Belgium to apply for EU pre-settlement scheme? And but they're making what you say.
Yeah. I wear your glasses. I know. They all kind of say so on a different visa. Ne worry EU ni so switch. Yes, we beat me a switch. So we over 21. Which is only and almost show. We under 21 and no one say our application. Name we our application. Maybe so I didn't know we any late. I was so sure letter. Now we explain the entire way application late. Now mama valid application.
Okay. Menkwa Maswe na yamfa your caller. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Na on what to say?
Nyame adumo na bacho mo so e.
Adum no dos wa da wo man ke ben ti.
Okay. Bacho we dey me send question on WhatsApp no na me busa say mo skilled worker visa so na.
Okay.
Me dependent no inform me and say opeso koye aware pa e wo Ghana.
Aware papa, okay.
E wo Ghana. If you obey traditional na o ma ko sign no court. Na because me ne ba me aware no court no. Na opese me de me Ghana card any ade man obey ye divorce no e wo Ghana. But in the books of Home Office ne dey ye inform me home. Still now obey wo me so as me dependent. In your car, no, now say the way I say immigration seminar, no. The best me busa uncle Ben say advice be a whole ni be a way forward be a what to make a request,
no. First of all, we social media. There can be a 𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗆 offer a lawyer, say lawyer, me name a perceive tram troch home officer. Officer lawyer because you and a munkucha negu internet so sa. Bacho. Question will be sour. Why?
Okay.
Okay, what that will man in our office, why? Now whatever man to be
okay.
Why? Okay. Right, so live on Rainbow 92.4 FM, meeting adding an to Jegu OPD the second. BWF Solicitors, you know, Mugusu at your come on now. Time check 11 minutes past 10, and you go so I didn't come at you know, blow. Now, I mean, quite much in for next caller, nothing. Yeah, fan to us, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, Pacha, what is it?
Pacho yami adumo na muswe.
Ademu dos. Wada wo man keben etil yanko.
Men pacho bibia boko.
Adumo ohene. Now so
Pacho yami adam.
good.
Me ye application ma me sister ba kuna. Eye be bra pain eye or British Army WO1. Na first refusal no more can say you realize from the decision say we a mistake from the case officer instead of on one some managing a personal business, so you rely on also accept the sponsorship. Now, more decision about the first one, no more say o state you we say the annual income from the business, 3,000 Ghana cedis, which was wrong. You made it as 30,000. So you who say we yes a mistake, a new application. Until later on also more decision and modify and say they realize say the business no register and just a year ago and running such a business with a minimum balance of like £14,000, it doesn't look genuine. And also for more evidence you try to attach some of the receipt in Yamana or to business not running the receipt we attach some of it. They also made a statement that because the receipt is a handwritten, so they don't have any independent means of verifying that. So, Mr. Semi, who said we've searched 2 reasons, so they rejected visa. No, is there any other option? But most stating we say you can also go for administrative review or whatsoever. So I don't know whether if there is another option.
Well, reasons are where read your mamma and shut down to assume. And normally, no, say client, ye be sa normal the decisions are about. Any client in the back as opa, ye the back court amount. Yes, wouldn't be your appeal, but ubetimedia court judicial review. To judicial review, near a bit more expensive. To say client in the penny, ye be a friend of pre-action protocol. Near the actual mudientia, I don't know, and ye correct. You are now fee, ye genoso. So, Oman would withdraw near the court. Why?
Okay, Mpachamdasi. Wait there. I'll get back to you later on that.
No problem.
Okay. Until now, our office no one can be so atrim come my main for message you trim the and you quay in about permanent so nothing no yamfa a honso Eddie and family. Hello, good morning, OPD. Yeah, good morning, OPD. This is my question. I'll say I had my indefinite leave to remain before having my son in Ghana. He was born in Ghana. Can I apply for a British citizen for him, please? Uncle Ben, Wadauruma, on also no.
I say, I know indefinite, and I want about Ghana.
Yes.
There we say, indefinite, about Ghana, or so about apply now or the Baha. Until my man of visa, until apply for British citizen. Or more Ghana, or my British, or more British citizens.
Okay. Na baby do no. Ya be na yenu ba primary de Porto Casa no. Ange ben pacho ho na okay, no for Porto Casa no family na afi no. Ya for the akan so meeting Edin and to Jago the second higher Rainbow 92.4 FM. Afi yanko me yanko tie yenu ba primary. Yeba.
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Mr. Usu. Good morning to our lovely viewers. Today, we talked about UK visit visas and how to avoid refusal for a lack of genuine intention to visit. So, to begin with, a lot of people make visit visa applications to come to the UK, but they are refused because of avoidable mistakes. So if you want to make a visit visa application to the UK, the most important thing you need to do is to prepare. You have to prepare before you make your visit visa application. So when you want to submit such an application, the Home Office will look at whether you are a genuine visitor. So that's whether you will leave after your visit to the UK. So some of the things they look at are your previous travel history or your previous immigration history. So some of the things they will look at when it comes to that is whether you've traveled before, whether you have abused a country's visa before. So, for example, you've traveled to a different country and you have overstayed, if it's UK or any other country, whether you've traveled and you overstayed in that country, whether you abused the rules they gave you on your visa for the other country. So they will also look at your financial background, your social and economic background, your family background, so basically your personal circumstances. What they will use your personal circumstances to do is they would see if you have strong ties into your country. So which means that after your visit to the UK, you will leave because you have ties to your country. So some of the things they look at is whether you are working in your country, whether maybe you have a spouse or children in your country, whether you are a student or you are going to school in your country, whether you attend church, whether you have land in your country, all of those things, they use it to judge whether you have strong ties back to your country. So please, if you have a spouse, you have to prove your relationship. So you can use your marriage certificate to prove that you do have a spouse. You can also use the birth certificate of your children to prove that you have children back in your country. If you are a student, you can get a school letter. If you have land in your country, you can get the land title certificate from the government. You can also submit your bank statement or your Momo statement with your application. And it is important that you annotate such a statement to explain every huge transaction in your statement. So if you are having like very huge deposits or very huge withdrawals, explain what the money was used for, explain how you came to get that money. If you are self-employed and you are paying yourself, please make sure you have separate bank accounts or bank statements which show your personal account and then your business account. Don't just add everything together. And then you also have to prove your relationship with the person you are coming to visit. So if you intend on visiting maybe your child in the UK, you should prove that this person is your child. So you can prove that with maybe your child's birth certificate. You can also prove it with maybe WhatsApp statements. If your child gives you money, you can use your money transfer receipts or your Momo statement to prove that we are having this relationship. This is a relationship between me and the person I would like to visit. You can also write a letter to explain the reason you want to visit the UK, explain your relationship with the person you are coming to visit in the UK, explain your ties back in your country, that's Ghana, and explain why you know that you would leave the UK after your visit to the UK. So if you are married and maybe your spouse is also working, your spouse in Ghana is working, you can add your spouse's bank statement as well to your application. Um, you also have to prove that you have accommodation and maintenance in the UK. So you are not just coming to the UK and you don't have anywhere to go. You'll be having your own accommodation and then maintenance. So you'd have to provide the tenancy agreement for whoever you are coming to visit and that person's bank statement as well to show that you will not be a burden to the UK government when you come. If you have all these documents, then you can present your case. So you can then submit your visit visa application. And more often than not, when you've made proper preparation and you've gathered all these documents and all this evidence, when you make your application will be successful because you have proven that you have a genuine intention to visit and that you would leave at the end of your visit to the UK. And also, if you know you are not going to come to the UK for about, let's say, a week or 2 weeks, when you are making the application, please do not state that you are coming for just a week or 2 weeks because this could go against you as well. So I hope this helps all of us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Okay. Yeah, so Pamela Diana or the Abrianity. Yeah, Pamela see or Yena Malcope coffee beyond them, say I hear canon. And see, yeah, you know about Pamela or the Potter Castle and the Bayard, and see, you know, Mamunti Pino, no more so Mudiano. And see, I'll be back to studio. Na, Uncle Ben, I baby, sorry, so now afi next program I be take over na BBM so meeting heading Nana to Jegu OPD the second Nana to Jegu OPD the second. Eti young Ben na yenti your last submission afini fan sorry na next program be take over. Thank Ben me final words na afini fan sorry so that one.
Your OPD send am nyina amonim no your friend BWF Solicitors. If you are OPD bachelor baby I want your numbers. But then your focus your visitors visa because for most people omo wa ha no omo busuafo no mo mpese me ba betin ha mpese me besra mo no mo. Na de me de kan ya me de di kan ne say wo pese wo ba ha on a visitor. Aye preparation. I was starting term. Na wo boaboa wo. Ate se bibia ye bia ahoboa aye key. Ti wo boaboa ho a niam e wo se wo hye no nso ne se bibia wo de kɔ bia no ye sure say aye aban mu a aye genuine aye bank mu a aye genuine aye wo awadwuma aye genuine memfa one account aye business ene your personal account nko schedule business account ma nya wo dia wo ye wo awadwuma me situa wo ho menkase ye pay slip ba me situa wo ho ti se wo sika no e bi egu momo account kora nso a bi fa bitua wo ho na afa gu account ade a wo ba be ye no ehu hia se wo betwere ho krata de nti a wo ba UK wa ho na wo ba ehe na wo betena adan no wato ana rent how many bedrooms da wo nkrofo ahe na to wo odwuma be na oye woni ni di nkomo oye wunua oye wo ba oye wo busuani oye wadamfo exhibit ni nyina. The other one I'm never count as some stramo. Mamon kotum ngu agent to say me the abro yamame. Agent no no sika na opedi. Obey koga koye bibi ama. Yes, dudu no ya yi. Babi mu nso ya omo the fake niema fam. Na no ya ban for 10 years. Echi obetna na unya setena kra na echi ombetimi agye from sem. Enti ye careful. The church one say visitors visa for ye nyina. Say yeah na ye a ada na wo ya enye yi. The difference ne say ye tembra na say ama ye ya ye to ye bo ne ye. Saa nso na wo so pesa wo ya tembra na say na to bo na ye. Menko fa bibia enye entwa. Na nipa no nso a o ma wa ba no. Se bibi wo na chi a enye a siesie ne yi ansa na wo de akoto bedwam. Se na be ya o mo kosesa na mo kohwe na chi a o mo nkase nipa ikra no ye illegal. Enti ukra so baba be illegal na no so akobye bibia etwayem we ane ade maamo you hope say you be video on some of these topics abramo ti mo pese mo hwe your videos na mo ko YouTube wo ho mo ko BWF Solicitors your website www.bwfsolicitors.com your videos ni nyina egu ho Facebook die DM se bosome a omu delete YouTube wo ho BWF Solicitors, your website, www.bwfsolicitors.com. Ninyina egu ho. Ti enenso video na ye beye no. Ye ma omo beye British nationality. Ye de ba anonso ye be sha ma mo nyina. Ye damase.
Okay, na yenso ye damase na so that ban kan no be videos ndi aba na mo nso metumi nya bi nti unya video bi amesero manya pensem nkuminya na wa share dia ma obi nso no nso hia mmo na ono nso etumi afa so enya ne ho na bibia so etumi aka nti ya so akọ na ya so akọ na tese BWF Solicitors ne no mtwetwe nkomo nti anope ye beja ankben mo kwan na yes na omo modin kan akọ na afi ya back to studio no make house nyame adoma Saturday no yes omoba so ebe chechere mramu nti mesrew na ene wo mix ya na wa hwe omonim Saturdays no so onya won so de ho no bia so timi akoso kama nti ye ne omo bedu nkan tank ben afra ye be kasa back door na afi no ye hu de ekọ nti ya kramo ye mbe back to studio na afi no ye meto aso nti one thing ka Facebook bi ma ye no edkra na ye mbe back to studio.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.